Hello YouTube friends, I'm on my phone and I got a little trick to show y'all. You see right there and right there, it was corroded real bad. There's a little trick to stopping that shit. You get you a little bit of grease and get on the connections to where the corrosion is, and it'd be hard for the corrosion to come back. I didn't think about that, but I knew about it years ago, but I just didn't think about putting it on there. So if you want a little trick in keeping the corrosion down, get you a little grease to put in your connections. You see, and it makes it hard for it to come on there. And like I said, thanks for watching. Like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and have a good day.